morning flight, kiss goodbye, waiting for your bright blue sky.
Sa mga pumili na natin of card ito niya reading, tingnan natin kung bakit hindi natuloy. I feel here na hindi enough yung supporters. At saka naiyak kayo. I feel this is with regards to channels or business na hindi naging successful. You could be here, you're wondering ba't naging ganon. Hugs to every one of you. I know that it hurts. But let's see. Okay, sana magbigay sa inyo ng closure tong reading na to. Okay, so far naman guys, may kailangan lang talaga kayong baguhin sa sistema ng ginagawa yung negosyo, ng channel, or kung ano man. Kasi, you know, whatever that you're doing there, I feel like you're doing it for fun. Pero kasi, you know, hindi sapat. I'm not sure kung hindi sapat yung ginagawa mo or something. There needs to be changes. But, we will see. Okay, kasi feeling ko na. Kasi not enough. Pero tingnan natin, okay? Kung tunay na dahilan. I really feel lack of support. Baka konti lang nakakaalam na itong business ninyo or channel, konti lang yung subscribers, followers, kaya hindi siya nag-push. I feel like you're destined to find more. Meaning, maghanap ko pa kayo na ibang ventures, okay? Or try something else. Baka kasi yung nangyari sa yung negosyo, channel, or ano man yan, may problema. Maybe you're not aware about it, okay? So, anyway, yun nga. Kaya pala. Kasi mangyari dito is, ini-ignore ng mga tao kung ano man yung negosyo mo, yung binibenta, kung ano man yung ginagawa mo. Kasi first of all, I really feel here na parang hindi siguro maganda yung vibe ng channel or ng negosyo, or pwedeng they could be thinking negatively about it. So I think that you need to change your branding, you need to change your ways and so on. So kaya pala tayo may not enough card here. So next time around, you know, you need to change it. And I feel like you're divinely guided somehow. So trust and have faith in God. Now once that you let it go, you know, and let God, and I feel like if ever you need guidance, really pray to Him and help you to know kung ano yung dapat mong baguhin. Kasi if na nalulungkot kayo at naiiyak until now, you could be still healing from whatever had happened. And they want you to know na kaya di rin natuloy kasi God is really protecting you from further heartache. Kasi so far yung mga kakompetensya mo masaya sa kanilang buhay, etc. I feel na you need to actually observe kung ano yung mali sa ginagawa mong negosyo. At saka hindi naman din masama na mag-observe din at i-compare mo para matuto ka rin sa ibang mga YouTubers or sa mga may ganong negosyo din. And I feel I learn from your mistakes as well, at saka learn to enhance your channel or your business more. At saka kung may kamalian ka man sa yung channel or sa yung negosyo, huwag mo nang uulitin yun kapag magkaroon kayo ng bagong negosyo or ng channel or following. Kasi so far guys, yung nangyari kaya hindi siya nag-push forward kasi naka-seal or may blockage yung channel or pwede rin yung negosyo kaya hindi ka nakatanggap ng blessings. Kasi nakita naman natin dito na iniiwasan ka ng mga tao. I will just give you an example ha. Kung sakaling negosyo ito, maybe somebody put a bad review about your channel, about your business, and so on. Kaya nangyari dito is iniiwasan na siya ng mga tao agad. So baka kasi yung blockage. And maybe try to look at that review kung may reviews man kayo kasi it will actually help you to do more or to actually improve. 'Di ba? Kasi, kapag patuloy mo kasing ginagawa yung isang kamalian, di ka nagbabago, paano ka tatangkilikin ng mga tao, 'di ba? So, yun ang dapat mo rin matutunan. Kasi so far, maganda naman yung energy mo. You're a go-getter, okay? And you're actually aiming for more subscribers, for more buyers, for your business. But at yung problema dito, push ka ng push, pero hindi dumarating yung pera. Ngayon, I feel as well na dapat mo rin matutunan kung paano mag-handle ng haters. Kasi I feel here, siguro nga may bad review or something, you need to learn how to handle it properly. Kasi minsan nakaka-apekto yan, kaya ka na siguro iniwasan ng mga tao dahil baka may balita na nang away ka and so on. So next time, don't do it, okay? Kasi makaka-apekto yan sa goal mo. So, anyway, kung sakali man yung mga tao nag-leave na negative comment for improvement, learn to listen to them at saka, tingnan mo yung mga videos mo or yung produkto kung may mali ba. Kung alam mo naman na defective yung produkto mo na ibenta, okay, yun dapat mo rin maintindihan. Kahit nasabihin natin na malasin ka na or talagang nagkaroon ka na lasa sa produkto na yun. Kasi kapag pinush forward mo na ibenta yung bagay na hindi naman maganda, makasira lang yung lalo ng inyong reputasyon. So, learn from your mistakes. That's what they need to say to you. Tsaka makinig ka sa mga reviews sa yung channel or sa yung negosyo. Okay, kasi I really feel with this one, may potential kayo to grow. But I don't feel na if ever this is about your old channel or old business, okay? Wag mo nang i-push forward yun. I think God is calling you on to start a new beginning somewhere else. But don't actually push forward the one na hindi nag-grow. Kasi first of all, nag-cut na yun, nag-end na yun. Okay? So try other things and start again. I know that it's hard to start again. But yet, at least if you begin on something new, it will actually create new energies. Kasi yung nangyari dito sa kung ano yung nag-ending, may negativity. Na-sense ko agad yun eh. Hindi maganda yung kanyang vibe, kaya iniiwasan na siya agad ng mga tao. So, mind us well to start a new beginning. Who knows, okay? Baka yung bago na yan, yun naman yung mag-bloom, diba? So, we have this card, not enough. It says here, frustrated in relationship, lack of confidence, self-sabotage, fear, ego issues, and jealousy. So, I think could be a lot of negativity dito sa dati mong ginagawa, kaya siya nag-ending, okay? So, I really feel na you really need to learn from this kind of things na nangyari dito sa dati mong channel or sa dati mong negosyo. And I really feel na some of you plan to come back and try to make it bloom again, pero I really feel na sirain na yung reputasyon eh. Okay, yun dapat mo maintindihan din. So I think that what you need to do here is begin another thing. Okay, make up from the past. That's what I sense. At saka, try to do something more. Or change your style. At saka wag daw kayo madaling magalit din guys. Okay, din yung sabi nila. Tsaka learn how to handle your haters. Wag kayong tipong tao na laging nangaaway. So yeah, don't forget here. We also have this one like. We also have this in reverse. And we also got this one. I feel na branding, guys, okay? So, I'm sensing na, kasi yung branding natin really depends talaga kung ano yung tinatarget mo, yung topic ng yung channel or ng inyong negosyo. Kasi baka nangyari niya, may negosyo nga kayo, yes, pero hindi siya naka-align sa binibenta mo. Parang ganun ba yung nangyari? So, sana next time around, pag gagawa rin kayo ng pangalan, ng branding, make sure na talaga naka-align lahat sa kung ano yung binebenta or kung ano man yung inyong ini-introduce. So, we also have the safe in reverse. So, maybe your products are not safe and that's the reason why yung mga tao may siguro nakatry na ng product at hindi nila nagustuhan at ngayon sinasabi nila sa mga tao sa paligid na wag na itry yung product mo. So, sira na yung pangalan kaya na-stop itong negosyo or kung ano man career yan. Ngayon, yung gusto sana sabihin ng Diyos na, wala ka rin naman pagkakamali with regards sa pag-handle mo ng negosyo. Kung ito yung about sa kasipagan, you did the right thing. Pero sa pag-handle ng haters, you need really to observe about it. Baka may mali ka din doon. At you need to learn from your mistakes, okay? So far naman, maganda yung vibe mo kasi patuloy ka to push forward in your life, even if it's really broken, as you can see here with the home. So, gusto nila sabihin sa'yo na learn to move on and just forget about all these nasty things that happen. You need some time to heal about it. But of course, you need to learn from your past mistakes and whatever it is, okay? To push forward in your life. So, ngayon, sinasabi nila kailangan itong mag-ending kasi sira-sira na yung pangalan. And then, who knows, maybe yun do sa other endeavor mo na bago, baka yun yung mag-push. Okay? Tsaka huwag ka na bumalik doon sa sirana kasi with the home in reverse. So, ito lang yung nagsasabi na don't consider it as your home. It's not your home now. It's something that is already been destroyed. Okay? So, I feel drawn to jealousy here. So, baka nangyari rin kasi dito na baka dinestroy ng mga taong nag-iinggit yung iyong channel or yung iyong negosyo. So, hindi siguro iniisip mo kay may haters, okay? So, I feel like dapat mong gawin, if ever you're aware that you do have haters, mga taong naiinggit, wag na kayong actually mag-introduce ng bagong business sa social media, sa mga kakilala mo at kamag-anak. Kasi guys, to be honest with you, it is the strangers who are actually pushing channels or mga negosyo na yan. Hindi 100% yung relatives mo or yung mga friends mo, whatever, susuporta sa'yo. Actually, sa nasuportahan kanila, iba sa kanila ay nagsaselos pa. Or kaya gusto kang pabagsakin. Kasi to be honest with you, try mo tumingin sa ibang mga sinasabi ng ibang mga channels na ganun din yung nangyayari din sa kanila. Na kung sino pa yung nagsusupport, yung mga strangers pa. Meron naman nag-post na another channel na sinabi niya na nag-umpisa siya sa pag-introduce sa kanyang mga friends. Lucky for her that her friends supported her. Pero pag nakita mo yung comment section, pag nakita mo yung comment section, may mga comment dun yung ibang mga tao na hindi totoo yun kasi in their experience, kung sino pa yung strangers, sila pa talaga yung nag-help sa kanila na mag-grow. So anyway, tinan natin kung ano pa. Forgive and forget daw, sabi nila. So, take some time to heal so you'll be able to forgive the past. Let it go and let God, okay? Let God guide you to the right products then at saka to the right channel that you will do. I feel natanggap ka na. Nalinawagan ka na. Hugs to you. Kasi mabigat talaga to. Na-sense ko rin na talagang pinaghirapan mo yung bagay na yun. Kasi yung energy mo is go-getter eh. Hindi ko nasa-sense na tamad ka. Okay? Nangyari lang isasira yung pangalan mo. I'm not sure because of a product or something. Pero sana kapag alam mong mali na yung product, defective, whatever, huwag mo na ibenta. Okay, kasi makakasira lang yan lalo sa'yo. So, anyway, ito kasi nangyari kaya nag-ending, okay? So, with the fate being in reverse, so far naman, di naman talaga fated na mag-ending. Kung ano man to, okay, nangyari lang talaga nasira yung reputasyon, which is sad. At saka, hindi na yung nagbibigay sa'yo ng emotional fulfillment. So, kaya rin siya natigil kasi hindi na yan healthy for you and your emotional. At saka naging imbalance ka na emotionally. Dahil stress ay nararamdaman mo instead na nag-grow yung negosyo or yung channel. Kaya nangyari dito is finorce ka na umalis or magbago ng channel or ng negosyo. Kung yun yung ginagay ni God na gawin mo. Kasi with this one in reverse, meron ka siguro nakaaway na nagkalat ng mga fake news about you and so on. So, kaya nangyari dito is na-destroy yung inyong reputasyon. Kaya nangyari dito is dati nagbabalong yan, tapos dahil sa kasinungalingan na destroy lahat, okay? So, I feel like yung iba talaga sa inyo ay inggit, okay? Nangyari na may nagkalat ng fake news about you. And I really feel na with this one as well. So, huwag kayong mag-alala, guys. Kasi kahit na hindi mo masalba ito nag-ending, magkakaroon ka ng new beginning. And next time around, learn to be more protective na rin sa sarili mo. Talagang i-block mo agad ang haters, guys, okay? At saka, I feel like you do have to be careful, maybe on your wordings or branding or kung ano man yun, mga produkto rin. So, make sure also with the judgment card being here, you need to actually accept yung mga flaws ninyo at saka make sure you're not actually doing those wrong things again para hindi na to mag-repeat sa inyong buhay, okay? So, anyway, that's it, guys, and God bless all of you.